makeup?
Yeah, she's trying to have a better in
And how old is Janie?
5 weeks.
You? Grunty. 5 weeks already. Oh, he gave a surprise. Is that noisy? Alright. Turn her around. Where's that arm? Get that arm. Oh, so sleepy. Oh, so sleepy. Alright. This is better. Very good. Okay, so there's some places I want you to rub. Right up and down the thigh. Okay? And it's usually easier either when you've got a little lotion or when there's a sheet you can kind of cover up. And you're just kind of going to the knee and up into the hip. These spots here will help stimulate the colon and they're called neurolymphatic massage points. So they'll stimulate the colon. That'll help regulate the intestines there.
Okay.
You're doing good with the enzymes. She's much calmer, not nearly as tense in there. So. Okay, sweetie, we're all done.